Once again, friends. This is a little bit of easy and quick DIY for our godmother who died 2 years ago. It's her birthday. Apparently, it was on last Monday, but because I'm not able to do something quickly at the time, so I just do it only now. So anyway, we just put a little bit of a flower, artificial flower for her to her grave. You can also do a fresh flowers if you manage to get one. So eto, meron tayong faux flowers or artificial flowers, which is very interesting kasi it's my first time to see like this kind of flower, a plastic flower or faux flowers they say. So, and it's a bit cheaper, so I did have that. So yeah, and then we can start assembling and make it as a nice bouquet. This one here as a name there, so and then make like a tag